I finished another journal for the September Stash Buster Junk Journal Challenge using only my stash. I had started this one and 3 others very similar. This one's done. Stay tuned for the flip through. Be clever. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have another journal for the September Stash Buster Junk Journal Challenge. This is my composition book, Autumn Wildlife, and it is the fox. So, so the cover is actually a composition book, and I've added some scrapbook paper from my stash, some lace. This is the cover of a little really cute notepad. I think it came with 3 or 4 in the package. This is one of the stickers, the fox stickers from Dollar Tree. Pretty much most of this was Dollar Tree. This tassel is just a variety of yarn pieces, and it's really soft. I did put canvas on the binding, and I put my binding my tie binding behind it. Okay, there's also a button here from my stash and a flinch card printed at 3.5 by 5, so it came out this small, from the Dear Julie Etsy shop flinch card digital kit. And I did cut down the composition book and straightened out the edge here. I added, there we go, I added scrapbook paper on the inside, and we have this large pocket and note papers. Lots of note papers added to this one. Here's some wrapping paper and a lace doily. Here's the little sleeping fox on book paper, and a 51. We have this here, and you can put your information for whose journal it is. Here we have a large pocket and the fox stamp with the meadow. I'm calling it the meadow. These are the colorful flowers. There's a video on that. I also made a couple of little envelopes using my envelope punch board. These papers were 6 by 6, so it was so easy. And then I took apart one of the notepads and put the papers from the notepads in the envelopes. So I love that because they are very colorful. And then I added 2 cards behind this one and 2 cards behind this one for journaling. Okay, so there's that. We have a large flip-up pocket here, and we have, let's see, this note paper, the cute fox note paper. There's 2 of them there. This really pretty note paper. Then we have a file card folder, and it's got some more of those papers cut off, and it has a pocket on the front. We have a flip here, and then you can write on the grid, and this is the stencil that I got from Dollar Tree. It has the fox, an owl, a bird, and a raccoon, and you'll see those throughout. Again, here's the meadow. We have some washi tape and washi tape down the side here. I did go ahead and I left the fringy edge. I actually left pages blank in this journal. This is a seating chart. I like these. I like the squares. You could just write a small note in it, or you could journal on the whole page. Here we have one of the little fox stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then we have this pocket. This right here is a bag. It's made from a bag. And we'll get there in just a second. And then we have this triangle pocket with some note cards on the inside. Okay, so here we have a flip-flop. So more journaling area, a pocket with a tag. We have the do it now, do it later. And then there's a little, it's attached here so that you have more journaling. We have our little raccoon here with his meadow. This is a circle scrapbook paper, and I folded it in half and turned it into a pocket, and it's holding an apple note paper and this other note paper. Okay, and then we have another fox on some book paper. Yeah, fox on a book paper. And let's go ahead and put a ticket in there. Here we have a name badge, so you could write down a prompt and then write around the outside. Some more blank pages with just washi tape down the edge. Here we have a piece of crepe paper or tissue paper and some washi tape. A small washi tape pocket or small pocket down here underneath this washi tape. And then we've got some note cards in this large pocket. You turn this over and we have a bag here. And in the bag we have this card with the little owl and the label up there. And that just fits right in there and it flips over the top. And you could use that and put a photo on it. We have a tag. This was cut with the Hobby Lobby punch. And then we have this little tag and it just kind of hangs out the side. Here we have a time card with a washi tape tab and a pretty note paper. Lots of pretty note papers in this journal. Here's some more of the graph paper with the squirrel in the meadow. More empty pages. Yay! Yay, journaling places. We have a little label here, tag. Here we have a large pocket with the bunny from Martha Stewart and these other tags there. So this is a belly band and I made it out of a money holder. It's actually a gift card holder. So you could put a gift card in here or if you had something else. This is a card that I made at Michael's we were supposed to have a class and for some reason they didn't know they were supposed to have a class. So they just showed us how to do that. We've got this cute little tag note paper underneath in the belly band. A large pocket here out of the note paper and several items in that pocket. This craft paper with the dots is also wrapping paper and we have a large pocket there. That's not gonna, this doesn't match. Not only does it not match, it doesn't fit, but it doesn't fit and doesn't match. There, put that in there. And I'm looking for another tag. Trying to think what the I had to remember what the theme was. Oh my gosh. I'm really tired. There we go. There we go. Put that in there. Some more paper. Here we have a tag in this, and it's made out of packaging with the little sticker and the fox sticker. There's some of the notepad. Here is a clear packaging, and we've got the little fox on it, and it's got the little village, and it's just a fold over notepad. Here we have a lace doily that could be a pocket. That's too big for that. And let's see, what do we have? There, we'll just put that in there. Here we have a pocket with the little bird and the fence, and over here we have the bird on the fence. I'm going to turn this one this way because you can only see the green on this one. I did go ahead and add some orange flowers to the signature, the center. We have a mushroom tattoo, and it's a tattoo that I make on parchment paper. So there's videos, and I'll do that again maybe this week on a video. Okay, so we've got some cute little, the fox and friends, and a thankful, and some more of that. Here we have a tag, a large tag, a small tag, and the F for fox, and that's a playing card. They're decorating that. Then we have our owl in the meadow. Wrapping paper. Here is our note paper belly band. So you get 3 or 4 pieces, looks like 3 pieces of note paper, and then we have these place cards. So, and they're just behind that belly band. We have a pocket here with bridge, a large card, a tag, and some note paper. Here we have the fox. He's just got a little bit of meadow. We have a ledger paper, and it has several items. And then we have our fox friends, as well as some washi tape at the top. Here's some more tissue paper with the washi. Here's just a little single one of the drawn flowers. More pages to write on. Here is a top tuck. It's got a stamped owl and a letter, or number, excuse me, a bingo number, and then some note papers tucked up into that top tuck. We have a pocket here with a card and Martha Stewart notepad. There's a cute little fox. Wrapping paper, there's a little hedgehog up there. We have the little fox here. Here we have a green card and the note paper. Turn the page and we have the raccoon, and he's in the meadow. Here we have a mushroom tattoo. So what it is I stamped the mushroom on the coffee dyed parchment paper, and I stamped it on in brown, and then I colored it in, and then I glued it on. Now on coffee dyed paper, it actually even, well, this is at least this is darker paper, it becomes kind of becomes the paper. It just looks like a tattoo on there. We have another flip-flop here on this page that was made from the gift bag. We have the large acorn and a ticket paper clip. Another bird on the fence there, and a cute little fox there. Another seating chart, more paper. We have another owl in the meadow, and then we have some coffee dyed index and a note paper. Up here we've got one of the cute little acorns and some washi tape. Here is a photo pocket, and I've covered where the information was and turned it into a pocket. After it all, it is a junk journal, so I like to use the junk. So there's that. Here's some leftover wrapping paper that we've made a page out of, and that's our last page. And so our back pocket has this note paper, and there you go. So, oh, I'm going to cover this, but I wanted you to see that it was a composition book from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so the base is a composition book from Dollar Tree. And this journal is available in my Etsy shop, and I hope you'll check it out, Dear Julie Julie. You can also find me on Instagram at Dear Julie Julie. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Happy autumn. Bye. Bye-bye.